today's lesson is to make this a rainbow wall hanging pocket. So this one, the cloud part, is a pocket so that you can put letters in and then hang with a pin on a wall or a magnet on a fridge to make a rainbow pocket. So let's start making this rainbow pocket. You can find a piece of paper in a Hana art pack in a blue bag. So make it half. Okay, fold it half and then make the nice line, and you need a scissors, okay, and cut in half along the folded line. Okay, now in two pieces. One piece I want you to keep in the next lesson, so put it back in the blue bag. Okay, now we're gonna fold in half again this one piece of paper and nicely score, fold, and cut it again in half with scissors. Okay. So now we have two pieces of paper. Keep one on the side. So now we wanna one more time fold this in close to half, but a little bit longer on one side. So let's see, I will show you like this. Okay, make this fold one side longer than the other side. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so now you have this. Next, I want you to put this connected end, folded end towards you and put on the table. One open side is on both sides and the top. Now let's open this art set and find out what's inside. 23 pieces of goodies. Okay, so we got crayons, one pencil, which we're gonna use it now, and watercolors and erasers. We might need erasers. Okay, and let's put this aside. Okay, and using, oops, you know, this art set wants to close by itself. So let's get the glue stick. Okay, glue stick. We're gonna use this right after. So stick it in the middle of this art set so that it doesn't go closed. So put it in the middle. Okay, then keep it aside. Okay, so now we want to draw this cloud shape on, actually you have to put this one on the long side upwards, so the short side on the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna draw a big cloud on the bigger side using pencil. The bigger the better. Okay, the clouds look like this on the folded paper. So the back side has this shorter flip. Okay, make sure you draw a cloud on the bigger side. Okay, now we cut along the pencil line. Okay. This one you cut both back and the short side too together. Okay,
easy for you to cut is
to move this cloud side
then you move your hand
way. Okay, so cut out. This is goes in the garbage bin. Okay, don't throw that on your floor. Okay, now you have this clouds ready. Okay, next. So now a half of the other paper. Let's put this down on the table, the long side, right and left. Okay, then we place this cloud, big cloud side on the top, and place it on the bottom of the paper. Okay, and now I want you guys to draw a nice big rainbow on the big paper. but don't go over the cloud. Okay. Okay, I would say let's do the outer line and then the bottom side of the rainbow. And we can do more lines if you like later, okay? So let's make it nice rainbow line, okay? Mine is a little crooked, so let's use eraser to make it a nice line. And once you did outline with the cloud, then remove the cloud. I don't want you to draw over the cloud, so remove the cloud and continue your line to the end of the paper. Yeah, straight down. Okay, so now I got outlines. Okay, so now I want you to cut along the pencil line and cut out the rainbow shape. Okay. Then inside the line too, to make a fuka. So these again goes to the garbage bin. Alright, so now we got a cloud and a rainbow. Then glue between your arc set should be, okay? And now I want you guys to open this cloud and find this straight line right here, okay? And bottom of the rainbow, we want to connect these two like this. So let's put at the very bottom of the rainbow, just maybe a half an inch, just about this much, your finger much of glue you put, okay? Then you place this cloud over, just overlapping about the area. You put the glue, okay, just this much, okay, on the back of the cloud where just this straight line is at, okay? So now you got this one side rainbow attached, another side this is cloud. Now I want you to put glue right here to make a pocket closure on both left and right end. Okay, so let's put the glue, a little more glue on the end, both end of the clouds. Okay, so I just put the glue right here, and let it close up on both sides. There you go. Now you got the rainbow cloud pocket. Here we go. Then now we cut out. I put aloha, but it could be your name over here or your mama's name if you want to give this to, or your friend's name or anybody's name, or aloha, or whatever the word you want to put. You can use both crayons, but I recommend to use rainbow side watercolor, because as a watercolor makes nice, the gradations and easy to cover larger areas than crayons. Okay, so using watercolor, let's prepare a mini cup of water and this the mini brush comes in here, but it's sticking, very difficult to take it out, so use a pen or something to lift it and okay, first wet your brush very well, and it's nice to have a piece of kitchen napkins, paper towel, okay, place under the water cup so that you can wipe off your brush. Brand new watercolor need maybe a couple times like this, the water, give it water and just kind of move the brush over the paint to mix, try to mix with water. Then apply the rainbow. You can use your own imagination to make it look really fancy and cool. So you can use any colors you like. This part gonna take some time. Take your time. You have all this time at home, so no need to hurry. Make it a very nice, fancy rainbow. Let's say yellow. And with this watercolor, if you want to make between colors, mixing gradations, it's easy to make with watercolors. So I recommend you to make gradations in between colors, which is, I'm just gonna show you the point. Okay, let's see. Where is the gradations? Let's see, like where this is mixing, kind of like here. It's kind of pretty that way. Okay. All right, yellow is almost done. Let's see, light blue, like turquoise blue, which is this one, a little lighter blue. Here we have dark and light. I think I'm gonna do like one more color, so I'm making like a 5-color rainbow. Purple, that's right here, this one. Okay. Maybe it's good to use something underneath. You can put like old newspaper or another kitchen towel or whatever that covers your table. So you got the nice rainbow going. Then let's decorate over the cloud. Okay. It could be your name or aloha or any word you want to put. Okay. So make sure rinse off your brush always after finish using the watercolor. Okay. I do aloha. Aloha. And make sure the watercolor takes some time to dry. So before hanging it, because of the water gonna drip, so I recommend to dry it. To hang on the wall and keep some letters. I hope you enjoy it.